Hey, these are a couple ways to help relieve stress in the arms and the hands specifically, especially when you're doing a lot of gripping or squeezing throughout the day. You also want to give your hands the opposite, so you want to stretch them out, you want to make them big. You also want to go as far back as you can, just to stretch that opposite. Sometimes you need a little help. You can also use your other hand just to get that stretch, open up that hand, and of course do both sides. Another way is to use your other hand and actually massage up each individual finger so that you're going up the finger, and then as you're massaging, you're actually bending it back to where it's a slight stretch but still comfortable. You're not going for pain, but you are going from the base of the hand all the way up the finger and then back. And the same for the thumb. You're going here, you're squeezing, you're pressing into the base of the thumb, and then you're stretching it back. And you can also pull on the fingers just to relieve some of that tension, some of that pressure that you're building up, especially when you're working a lot with your hands. Shake them out, help to realign, brush things off, just to help align the nervous system and your energy field. And that's just for the hands. You can also do similar things for the forearm. One of the things I often like to do is actually grab the muscle and then twist, and you're twisting the arm in the opposite direction. So you're going one direction, arm is twisting as well, and then you're twisting back as you're twisting the muscle. And you can do that all the way up the arm from the elbow to the hand. And of course, you want to do both sides. And you want to do different levels of pressure. You want to go as gentle as you can, so you're barely touching the skin. And this is to actually help release any stuck nerves in the tissues, so that they can be released. And then you want to go deeper and deeper to, in the end, you're actually like grabbing as hard as you can and just barely moving, just going right to the bone level. And of course, always do what feels good to your body. If it doesn't feel good, don't do it. Seek help. There's lots of people who are amazingly good at helping you release tensions if you can't do it yourself. But this will help in between appointments when you're seeing somebody, because often we only see somebody, if we're lucky, once a week. And we often, do things every day. And your body would appreciate having that release as you put that stress, as you put that tension in. The same with your bicep, you can do the same thing. I also like to actually squeeze the muscle by pinching it and pulling it off the bone. You can also do the twisting, but do what feels good, do what your body is telling you, because that is your best indicator of what you need and what is helpful. And always, be gentle to yourself, brush it off, tell it it did a good job. It appreciates being acknowledged and listened to. So that's the basic for the arms. And if you're interested, we'll do another one on the shoulders and alignment and the chest. Thanks. Bye.